You see, today we are going to make bubble tea. What's your name?
Marisa.
Hi Marisa, how old are you? Oh, okay, cute. And what about you? What's your name?
6.
Oh, you are 6 or you are, what's your name? My name is?
How?
Hi, How. So you are 6 years old. Okay, I know it. And hi, little boy, what's your name? Hi, Hank. How old are you? 5 years old. Okay, that's cute. What's my name? I am Amy. Yes, very good. Thank you, How. And first of all, the first thing we need, we call, what color is it?
Brown.
Brown. Very good. So we call it brown sugar. This one, what is it? Not coffee. Milk. Yes, good. Dun. I prepared some. What's this? Yes, very good. You got it. This is brown sugar. So 1, 2. No, I want to have 1, 2. So I cannot give you all. And Marisa, what is it? Brown sugar. Do you like brown sugar? Yes. And what are you drinking? Milk tea or bubble tea? Good job, Hank. So bubble tea. Okay. Here, I think the pearl is ready. Who wants more?
Me.
You? Okay. And let's call it pearl. Good. Pearl. Brown sugar here. 2. Okay, sure. More. 7. Yeah, bubble tea. We said bubble tea. Bubble. Okay. Then get some pearl in your cup. Okay, I think it's not enough for you. Let's make more. Wow. Good. How many spoons do you want? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 100. Oh, I don't have that many. What about you, How? How many do you want? 2. Okay. Who wants some ice cube? Me, How? Okay, I'll give you some. Okay. And then you see some milk. And then you some. Oh, really? It looks like coffee. And stir. Yes, you stir, then you can drink. Do you like it? You can try. Go. How? Good. Yes? Okay, good. And hope you like it.